So, hi all. Today we are going to discuss the topic about method overriding. And generally, what is overriding means? Uh, can subclass allows to provide its own implementation of a parent method, which means the method name, parameters, and return type must match the parent version. Is an example of runtime polymorphism. We have already seen about the method overloading. It is compile time polymorphism. So this is overriding, it is runtime polymorphism. Generally, method overloading and riding it comes under the polymorphism concept. The overridden method in the subclass executes at runtime, not compile time. Overriding allows specialization of behavior without changing the parent class. Parent class reference can point to child class objects for flexibility. Override annotation is often used to avoid errors. Example, vehicles moving differently based on their type. A car can move uh, based on the type, and bike can move a different type other than car. So this is the method overriding. Overriding program is vehicle is a class and move is a method. The statement we have to print is the vehicle is moving, and we just extend or inherit the subclass car from vehicle class. Here also the same method name, which is move, and the print statement is the car is driving on the road. And another subclass we have to inherit from vehicle, that is bicycle. Here also the same method name, which is move, but the print statement is different from that parent class. That is bicycle is pedaling forward. So here there are three methods we have defined. Under these three methods, the print statement is differ but the same method name. This is runtime polymorphism. So as usual, we have created as usual we have when we come to the main class. That is test to override is the main class. Under the class we are going to create a object name. Here we have to create object for each and every class. And we have already seen about the method overloading. Under this method overloading, we have created the single object for two or three classes. But here we have created the uh, object for each and every class. So here we already seen about the vehicle is the parent class. In parent class vehicle, we have created the object V1, and subclass car we have created the object V2, and subclass bicycle we have created object V3. So based on that objects, by using that objects, we can access those methods which is already defined regarding that classes. So program 2, its class name is animal. Animal class method sound, and print the statement animal makes a sound. Under that animal class, we just create or inherit the subclass dog. And under this dog class, we can define the same method name sound, but print the statement that is different from animal, that is dog box. And one more subclass we have created, that is cat. Under that cat subclass we have defined the same method name which is already defined under the dog and animal, that is sound. Here the print statement is as well as the same, they're different comparatively others, that is cat meows. And when it conclude with the main class, test animal is the main class and main function. Under this main function we have created the objects for that particular classes, that is a1 and a2. And so by using that object we just access those methods which is already defined under the classes. And overriding conclusion is overriding allows subclass to redefine parent class behaviors. It is resolved at runtime, enabling dynamic method selection. Overriding makes more flexible, adaptable for different object behaviors. and it supports runtime polymorphism for advanced object-oriented design. Parent refers can call subclass implementation seamlessly. So overriding can avoid code duplications with the specialized functionality. It is widely used in frameworks. Thank you.